Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the live trading room. Today is Monday, July 14th, 2025. I'm glad you're here. Hope you all had a very nice weekend and stayed cool wherever you are. It was extremely hot here all weekend here in Atlanta, Georgia. Anyway, here is last Friday's trades and four trades for plus 47. I did end up getting that called Thinkorswim, did end up getting made good on that trade that I had. Didn't get as much as I thought I should get, but I got, you know, got plus 13 on it, which was fine. They gave me back my loss plus 13. I had a 13-cent loss. They just simply reversed that and gave me 13 cents. So pleased about that. Pleased that that happened. So ended up Friday. So this is what we ended up for the week last week. Not our highest week, but still a very positive week. So very glad to have that. Had that nice sell-off in the beginning of the market, then followed by a big swing high, which we've been seeing a lot lately. It's just this type of pattern where we get a nice move in the beginning, whether it's a swing high or it's a sell-off followed by a swing high or a sell-off. Um, Afternoon was a little dry. There was some trading opportunity in the afternoon, but not a whole lot. So we ended up, or SPY, I should say, ended up at 623.59. We do not have a gap play this morning, it looks like. So we'll go on up. There we go. Currently, price is rising pretty quickly. Let me get rid of something there. Let's head over to the option chain. So today is the 14th, so I'm going to be trading the 14th today, and likely starting at the 621 on the call side and the 624 on the put side. We'll see once we get this pre-market volume in, which is sitting at 943,000 for pre-market volume, under a million. Let's let Andrew in real quick. And that's everything for that. Let's go ahead and say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, the reasonable week for me last week. Had pretty good week. Still not as high as generally speaking, but positive all set. This morning, no really announcements today. The only we have a 3-month and a 6-month bond auction, both at 11:30 today, and that's it for today. We will have consumer price index numbers coming out tomorrow at 8:30, and the PPI, the producer price index numbers coming out on Wednesday and Thursday. So those certainly can move things. So we may or may not get a pop at the top today at 10, but we'll just wait and see. I will be trading this Friday's expiration, the 18th, on any new trades today. And I think that's about it here.
Okay, very good. Coming up on a minute out, and as always, you know what I'm about to say. We want 20 cents between each of the hash marks on each of your charts so that we're always looking at the same size candles from day to day. Very important that we're kind of all on the same page with that. And that's it. Trying to get logged into Schwab here so I can give you some numbers when we get started. But it's being persnickety today. Was just in it and it's not in it anymore. Anyway, we'll deal with that in a minute. We'll get into trading here at 20 seconds.
Tim, did Thinkorswim say what the issue was on Friday?
They're just having platform-wide issues.
Yeah, okay.
That's
All
what they
right.
said. That's what they reported to me.
Okay.
Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're in. Yeah, just said they're having that's all they told me. It was just platform issues in the beginning of the market, happened to everyone who was on.
All right.
So anyway, I was pleased that felt they did the right thing. So
Good. Good.
it was all good. So we got both our MACDs are in the call bias position. Got price coming down just a little bit, waiting for the broader markets to report here. Did finally get into Schwab. Now I'm just waiting for the markets to report. Just went over 1 million a little while ago in volume.
The Dow is down 92, Nasdaq is up 10, and S&P is down 7.
Great. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
See if we can make this a really good week this week. Get my 100,000 volume line there. It's like price wants to continue pushing down, it's running into some resistance. And over on the option chain, I will be at the 622 on the call side and the 624 on the put side, and that is for today's expiration.
I'm sorry, I blanked, Tim. What was the call side strike?
The call side is the 622
Oh,
on the call
okay.
side.
Okay.
Yeah. And 624 on the put side. Real slow open today. Not getting a whole lot of price movement yet, but we know that will change. We don't generally trade the first 5 minutes of the market, kind of let that uh, just sort of craziness go by. Let me see. See, we've got a couple of visitors today. Want to welcome you into the live trading room. Glad you're here. And I will give you a tour of our trading platform here in a little bit. Price kind of meandering back down. Dow is down 78, Nas down by 9, S&P down by 10. Not real big numbers. Price reaching down to VWAP. That's our purple line here on the upper left chart. For those of you who are visiting us today, just to give you just a quick tour of what you're looking at, if you missed the pre-market video that we watched. By the way, if you come in at 9:15 or before, at 9:15, we roll a video that discusses our platform, our indicators, and the trades that we take. And if you get a chance to, if you can get on early and watch that, that goes a long way toward explaining what we do. Price breaking below VWAP. So we'll keep an eye on that 624 on the put side. Price retreating a bit back above VWAP. So while we're kind of waiting for a breakout, uh, just give you an orientation of what you're looking at. Upper left screen is a regular 1 minute candlestick chart with a volume subchart. You can see we've got a red line set at 100,000. We like to see above 100,000 when we know that we get better trends and breakouts when we're above 100,000. We get slower price movement when it's below. It doesn't really go into our decision making in terms of when we get into a trade, but it is something that we kind of track. We want to keep an eye on. We love to see those higher volumes for when we do get into trends. Below that is a 5 minute chart. We mark one of our two indicators, goes onto our 5 minute chart. It's our zone system that we use on our 5 minute charts. And below that is a MACD. It's a custom MACD that's timed to the price variations of SPY, which is what we're trading, in QQQ. And the thing to know there, of course, is when the blue line is above the gold line and moving up, we're looking for a call trade. When it is pointing down or below the control line, we're looking at a put trade. And to the right of that is another 1 minute chart, but it's in Heikin-Ashi mode, Heikin-Ashi view. And Heikin-Ashi, it just averages price over two candles and gives us a better view of trends and breakouts. Well, trends primarily. And then below that is a custom MACD as well. And you can see right now that our MACDs are not in agreement right now. So we generally like to see those in agreement, both moving in the same direction when we do get into a trade. And then above that is just an instance of active trader. And active trader is one of the two ways you can get in and out of trades. The other way is the option chain, which is on a second monitor of mine that you don't see. And that's how I get in and out of trades, is on the option chain. But you're certainly welcome to use the active trader. A lot of folks on the call do. So price not really moving a whole lot yet.
Tim, I did put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5 minute candle.
Ah, very good. We will do that. Let's turn this red color more. HSV 60. And there we go. Do one last thing here. Let me just clean this up a little bit. There we go. We've got a pseudo supply zone. This is one of our two indicators. We place it off the high of the first 5 minute candle. We call it a pseudo supply zone because it's not really based on a price agreement yet. And we will, when we get one, well, we've got one actually down on the bottom that I can mark. And I think I will.
Yeah, what the heck?
Yeah.
Definitely narrow range so far.
For sure. There we go. All right, so that is a demand zone. It's based on this price agreement between this 5 minute candle and the second 5 minute candle, first and second 5 minute candle. You can see price came down to a point, stopped, turned around, and rose. So those are our supply and demand zones for right now. Those will change over time as price widens out. You can also call this support and resistance. All right, price is breaking through both the demand zone and VWAP coming down. So we're going to keep an eye on that 624 on the put side. In fact, we're getting a breakout right now.
I'm
See
gonna
if
go
this
ahead and try to
continues.
get in on that.
Are you? Okay, stand by on the 624.
Got in for 429.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter this in at 198.
Mm.
Okay, stand by to take some profit on this. Let's go ahead and take profit on this and out at 235. Nice. Love to start the week like that. So 37 cents on that first trade.
Plus 51.
Oh, nice. Way to go, Andrew.
Missed it.
A shame.
Yeah, I didn't execute.
Oh, a shame.
All right. So I just got out at 466. So 429 to 466. 40, 30, 37 cents on that too.
Yep. At the very nice little push down after we got into that trade.
So still...
Yeah, you can see that our MACDs, obviously, we're both going in the same direction. Got a nice 45-degree angle on our 5 minute MACD. So this was really just a classic breakout and trend that we just traded. That is exactly what we do. And this is still heading down. Our 5 minute MACD has crossed. Getting a big reversal here. I'm going to go over to the 621 on the call side. 621 strike call. So Dow has gone positive by 8, NASDAQ's down by 81, 82, S&P's down by 16. That was just a beautiful little sell-off there that we got.
Certainly
Love
is.
starting out Mondays like that.
Yeah, I'll take any day starting like that.
All right, I'm going to move down to the 622 on the call side. Probably should have been in this one already.
I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on it.
Okay.
In for 444.
All right, stand by on the 622 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and get in. And it has passed me by. Dang it. Could not get into that one.
I'm trying to get out for about 20 cents or so. Waiting for it to jump up a little bit more again. Come on, Phil. Come on. Come on, Phil.
What's going on today? Two trade, so I was not able to get in. They know
I
me.
can't get into that one either.
I got out for 22 cents,
All right.
466.
All right.
21 cents.
Nice.
Good.
And I missed it because it wouldn't fill. That happens. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to move this demand zone down to here. Activate. Let's move this down to here. And then we're going to move our supply zone into a real supply zone. Activate right here. Oops.
Very good.
There we go.
Well, I've got two positive trades up 59 cents. I may just make some sawdust now.
All right, heading over to the 622 on the call side. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 622. It passed me by again.
Might be just as well.
Yeah.
Boy, that third and fourth 5-minute candles certainly were long ones.
Yeah, they were. Look at that.
Hmm.
I'm going to head over to the put side, to the 624 on the put side. Price retreating back up. We've got 6,800,000 in on the underlying, and Dow is up by 32, Nas down by 21, S&P down by 6. Good volume, everything above 100,000 so far.
Yep.
The price is going to go into a little bit of consolidation here. Had our first minute below 100,000. Okay.
Hmm.
Price breaking out on the bottom side again.
Got 4 minutes to the pop, too.
Mm-hmm.
would like to see it get below VWAP. Or I jump into a put here.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, again, getting close to the pop.
So prices touched VWAP. Kind of getting stuck between VWAP and the supply zone.
And 2 minutes to the pop.
What do you think?
I'm waiting. It's tempting, but I'm going to wait.
All right, I'm going to hold off till after the pop at the top. All the broader markets are now negative. Dow's down 14, NASDAQ 41, S&P down 11.
1 minute to the pop. Again, no announcements today, but it still doesn't mean there won't be a pop. Here's the pop.
There it is. Price rising on the pop. It goes volume above 100,000. Not a big move here. Usually we see a lot more on the pop, on a real pop. But as Keith said, no announcements, nothing today, no reports coming out.
Still watching that 624 on the put side.
Yep. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Stand by on the 624.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on that.
All right. And I'm in at $2.
I'm in at 436. Come on down.
No, not that direction.
Come on, back down. Come on down. That's it. Come on down. Come on down. Come on, come on.
All right, stand by to get out of this trade.
That's it. Come on down.
Hold off. Come on.
Come on. Get down there. Come on, Ivan. Come on, Ivan. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on down. And we got the
Nice,
final
Ivan.
crossed over.
There we go.
Come on. Come on down. I'm going to move the supply zone up a little bit, but you don't have to do that while we're watching this.
Okay.
Come on down. Come on. Come on down. Down, 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 down.
All right, I'm going to get out of this trade here. Out.
I'm staying in for a little bit here. Come on down. Come on down. You don't want to get up by that supply zone. Yeah, that's it. Come on down. Get down below VWAP there. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Red, red, red. Come on. Down, 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 down.
Okay, I'm going to move the supply zone up a bit. There we go.
Come on. Come on. Get back down there. There we go. And that's it. Come on down.
Keeps hitting a little bit of support there at 622.76.
Yep. Come on. Drop below that. Come on. Come on, get down there. No, you want to. That's it. Come on down. There we go. There we go. That's the direction we want to go. There we go. All right.
All right, heading back over to the 526 or 520, excuse me, 624 on the put side, 624. I'm going to re-enter this 624. And I'm filled at 184.
Now, come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on, get down there. Get down there. Come on. Turkey, come on. Get down there. Go back down there. Down there to that demand zone. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get down there. Back down there.
Jesus fucking Christ, Jim.
Hmm?
Damn it.
Come on. The other direction.
We have to get out of this one again. 50.
Come on. Bounce off the supply zone there. Come on. Bounce off. Hmm. That's it. Come on back down. Come on, get down there. Come on. Nope. Down,
All right.
down, 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 down.
Getting out of this. Thank you. 184 to 134.
Come on. Get back down there.
Got the Dow and the NASDAQ have both gone positive. I'm going to head over to the 622 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 622 on the call side. Did get in at 185. Come on, get up there. There we go. All right, stand by to take some profit on this here. Let's go ahead and take profit here. Now at 203, 185 to 203.
At least I had a win. Now I have
Yeah.
win. Thank God.
Just right at or just above Friday's close.
Uh-huh.
It can start coming back now. Come on down.
All right, I'm going back to the 623 on the call side. 623 on the call side. Price coming down again. Price breaking through the supply zone, at least momentarily. Here it goes. Got our 1 minute MACD has crossed back under. 5 minute MACD is turning down.
Come on, you can keep coming. I'll let you.
I would enter this put trade. I just don't want to get burned on another put.
I am still in that put.
Mm-hmm.
624. Come on, get below VWAP there. Yeah, that's it. Come on down. How much did you get on that call trade, Tim?
Oh, 17.
Oh, great. Great.
That helped. I'm down 52 right now.
Come on down. Guess we can move that supply zone up again.
Yep.
That's it. Keep coming down. Oh, come on. Come on. Get back down. That's it. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Push it down. Got a little over an hour into the market. 12.5 million underlying traded. Major indexes are back red again. There we go. Come on down. That's it. Come on down. There we go. I've got an exit order in down close to the demand zone there. Should get down there.
Getting some volume coming in.
Come on, come on. Keep going down. Got room to move there. Come on, keep going down. There we go. Nah, come on, get down there. Come on, come on. No, no, no. Come on, get back down there.
All right, I'm going to keep an eye on that 622 on the call side.
on down. Come on down. In case you haven't figured, that's not down.
Yeah. Stand by on the 622 on the call side. I'm going to enter the 622 on the call side. And I just entered it at 150. Come on. Looks like we're going into some consolidation here.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
All righty. No, come on. Up, up, up. No, not in that direction. Up. There we go. Come on, get up there. Well, price is climbing just slowly. Yeah.
And a little more volume on that last candle too.
Yeah. Come on, get back up there. Come on, get back above VWAP. No, 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 no.
What if the person knocking on your door?
There we go. Get on up there. Well, let's see here. We've got 15 million, just crossed over 15 million in the underlying volume. And let's see what we've got. All right, so Dow is down 49, Nasdaq is up 12, S&P is down 7. Price did move back up above VWAP, still climbing very slowly, but it's just back and forth. Got an outset up near the supply zone. All right. Took it a little early. 150 to 170.
Fantastic, Tim. It can go down now.
Yeah. Getting our 5-minute MACD is about to cross back over to the call side. Price still rising up near the supply zone.
Doji there.
Yeah.
All right, Tim. It's 11 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and still hang on to this put for a while here yet. Again, Friday's expiration, so I've got a little bit of time.
Okay.
But anyway, it's not that far out, but it's I think it can get there today.
Okay. That sounds good, buddy. You have a great day. Go make some sawdust.
Yep. Yeah,
And
got the county fair coming up. Got to finish some things by next week. So,
okay.
all right. Have a good day, everybody.
All right. Take care, Keith.
Okay. Bye.
Price is still rising. Wow. It's pushed past the high we had before. Should see this start reversing down. All right, we're right near the earlier high. And I'm thinking that this should be reversing off of that, being it's at the top end of the range. Should start seeing profit taking going on now. So I'm going to head over. Wow. To the 624 on the put side, 624. Hmm. Oh, excuse me, just for a minute. All right. Got a doji there. See if that turns into a reversal. Like we're kind of stuck here just above the supply zone. Starting to see some lower volume show up. Price still climbing slowly. All right, we're mostly just in consolidation at this point. So I think I'm going to go ahead and call it here for now. I'm going to get some lunch. I will come back in probably about a half an hour and do some more trading. So I will leave the charts up, and I'll see you in about a half an hour if you still want to trade. All right, guys. See you in a bit.